In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download an X.com or Twitter video in just a few simple steps. If you're trying to save a video from X for offline viewing, sharing, or keeping a copy for later, this guide will walk you through the process quickly and clearly. And if this helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. First, you'll need to make sure you have a premium subscription. This is important because the download option is only available to premium users. Once your premium access is active, open X and go to the video you want to download. Look closely at the video player and find the settings icon. It usually looks like a gear icon. Click that settings icon to open the available video options. From there, you should see a download video option. Click download video and the file will begin saving to your device. That's really all there is to it. Just remember, you need premium access first, then use the gear icon on the video, and finally select download video. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.